fingerprint and passcode-based anti-theft vehicle system. Data setup features and Arduino Mega, fingerprint sensor, ignition key, web camera, GSM module, GPS module, buzzer, LCD, red and green LEDs, and a push button, creating a comprehensive security system. Let's explore how each component plays a vital role in our system's functionality. The Arduino Mega acts as the brain of the system, managing inputs and controlling operations. Begin by enrolling fingerprints using the push button. Each fingerprint is stored with a unique ID for future verification. When the ignition key is turned on, the system prompts for fingerprint verification. Place your finger on the sensor. If recognized, proceed to facial verification. The web camera captures an image for facial recognition. Pre-enrolled faces are verified using Python algorithms. Upon successful face recognition, an OTP is sent to your phone via the GSM module. Enter the OTP to proceed. Correct OTP enter activates the DC motor, allowing access, and the green LED indicates success. Incorrect fingerprint, face, or OTP triggers the red LED and buzzer, signaling an alert. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.